10 habits that are bad for your heart. Your heart is an incredible organ that pumps blood throughout your body, keeping you alive and well. Did you know that your heart beats about 100,000 times a day and pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood? That's a lot of work. Unfortunately, some everyday habits can put a lot of strain on your heart without you even realizing it. But before we get into those habits, we need your help. Please help us reach 100 subscribers by clicking that subscribe button below. Your support means the world to us. Now, let's jump into the 10 habits that are bad for your heart. Make sure to watch until the end because number 9 is the worst. Number 1, lack of sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, it can lead to high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes. These conditions can all increase your risk of heart disease. Sleep is crucial for your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Without adequate rest, your heart has to work harder to keep your body functioning properly. Over time, this can lead to a variety of cardiovascular problems. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to give your heart the rest it needs. Developing good sleep habits, like maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment, can make a big difference in your heart health. Also, avoid caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime to ensure better sleep quality. Number 2, sitting for long periods. Sitting too much, whether at a desk, in front of the TV, or in a car, can increase your risk of heart disease. When you sit for extended periods, blood flow slows down, which can lead to the buildup of fatty acids in the blood vessels. This increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. Make sure to get up and move around every hour to keep your blood flowing. Incorporate small activities into your day, like taking short walks, stretching, or doing simple exercises at your desk. Staying active helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces stress, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Even small movements, like standing while talking on the phone, can make a big difference. Number 3, ignoring stress. Chronic stress can cause your heart to work harder and increase your blood pressure. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which make your heart beat faster and constrict your blood vessels. Over time, this can damage your heart and increase your risk of heart disease. Find ways to relax and manage stress, like meditation, exercise, or talking to a friend. Activities like deep breathing, yoga, and hobbies you enjoy can also help reduce stress. Remember, managing stress is not just about avoiding it, but also learning healthy ways to cope with it. Engaging in activities that make you happy and relaxed can have a significant positive impact on your heart health. Number 4, skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day, which can cause weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and provides the energy you need to start your day. Without it, you're more likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or eat larger meals later on, which can strain your heart. Try to eat a healthy breakfast every morning to keep your heart in good shape. Include a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your morning meal to keep you full and energized. Examples include whole grains, fruits, nuts, and lean proteins. A nutritious breakfast can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and prevent cravings throughout the day. Number 5, excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can raise your blood pressure and lead to heart failure or stroke. Excessive drinking can also contribute to weight gain, high cholesterol, and irregular heartbeats. Limit your alcohol intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men to protect your heart. Remember, moderation is key. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and be mindful of your overall health. Alternatives like sparkling water with a splash of juice or herbal teas can be great substitutes for alcoholic beverages. Drinking responsibly and being aware of your alcohol consumption can help maintain a healthy heart and reduce your risk of heart disease. Number 6, not flossing. Poor dental hygiene can lead to gum disease, which has been linked to heart disease. Bacteria from your mouth can enter your bloodstream and cause inflammation in your blood vessels, which can increase your risk of heart disease. Make sure to floss daily to keep your teeth and heart healthy. Good oral hygiene, including brushing twice a day and regular dental checkups, can also play a significant role in preventing heart disease. Maintaining a healthy mouth is an important part of maintaining a healthy heart. Regularly replacing your toothbrush and using mouthwash can further protect your oral and heart health. Number 7. Overeating salt. Consuming too much sodium can raise your blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. High sodium intake can cause your body to retain water, putting extra strain on your heart and blood vessels. Try to limit your salt intake by avoiding processed foods and adding less salt to your meals. Opt for fresh foods and use herbs and spices to flavor your dishes instead of salt. Reading food labels can help you make healthier choices and keep your sodium intake in check. A diet low in sodium can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Preparing meals at home and being conscious of hidden sodium in restaurant dishes can also help. Number 8. Underestimating symptoms. Ignoring symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, or fatigue can delay diagnosis and treatment of heart conditions. These symptoms can be warning signs of serious heart problems, and delaying medical attention can lead to worse outcomes. Always take these symptoms seriously and consult a doctor if you experience them. Early detection and treatment can make a big difference in managing heart disease. Regular checkups and paying attention to your body's signals are crucial for maintaining heart health. Keeping track of any unusual symptoms and communicating them to your healthcare provider can help prevent serious heart issues. Number 9. Consuming sugary drinks. High sugar intake from sodas and energy drinks can lead to obesity and diabetes, increasing your risk of heart disease. Sugary drinks can cause spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain. Opt for water or other low-sugar beverages instead. Drinking water throughout the day can help you stay hydrated and support overall health. Herbal teas, infused water, and sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice are great alternatives to sugary drinks. Reducing your sugar intake can significantly benefit your heart health and overall well-being. Making small changes, like replacing one sugary drink a day with water, can have a big impact over time. Consuming high amounts of sugar has been directly linked to an increased risk of heart disease, making it one of the worst habits for your heart. Number 10. Neglecting regular checkups. Skipping regular health checkups means missing early signs of potential heart problems. Regular visits to your doctor can help detect issues like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes early on. Make sure to visit your doctor regularly to keep your heart in check. Staying on top of your health screenings and following your doctor's advice can help you manage risk factors and maintain a healthy heart. Prevention and early intervention are key to avoiding serious heart problems down the road. Regularly monitoring your heart health with your doctor can help you stay informed and take proactive steps to protect your heart. Let's recap the 10 habits that are bad for your heart. 1. Lack of sleep. 2. Sitting for long periods. 3. Ignoring stress. 4. Skipping breakfast. 5. Excessive alcohol consumption. 6. Not flossing. 7. Overeating. Salt 8. Underestimating symptoms. 9. Consuming sugary drinks. 10. Neglecting regular checkups. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.